Okay, in a previous example we used the tabs environment variable to add a syllabus tab to this course here, so that now when the user goes into the course there's a navigation tab right for that, right for the syllabus, instead of having to go either to the course tab or to the resources tab to locate that. So what that looks like for us is if we go to the environment variables on the manage tab, there is a tabs variable here with a series of text values. To look at that a little closer, we see that there is a location in Angel that I want the tab to point to, and then the name of the tab. And Angel knows, for example, that when I say syllabus, to point at the course syllabus. We can also add in just about anything else we want there. So let's add in a grades tab. Now ordinarily, if I'm a student and I go into a course, I can click on the reports tab, and then I can click on the report type, drop down to grades, and then I can run that for myself. So there's several mouse clicks to get to where I can see my grades if I want to have the grades report run there. The instructor can also choose to have the grades listed on the course tab, but let's say for this example we wanted to have a full page view of a tab that would go right to the grades report. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add to my string of text here, and let's put it right after the reports tab. We'll have something called grades equals grades. Okay. Now I'm going to copy that and put it into the environment variable. So I'm going to edit the tabs variable. I went from the manage tab to environment variables. Now I'm going to edit the tabs variable, and I'll replace this text here with what I had in the Word document. Okay. Now, just for example, let's say we can also put one called anything we want. And then if I exit that and I get out of the course and go back into it again, I'll see that I now have my grades tab there, and I named one called ants and had it point to butterflies. Now if I click on that, it doesn't know where to go. It doesn't know, there's no location in Angel named butterflies. Similarly, it doesn't know where to go when I click on the grades tab. See, it knows where the reports are, but not where the grades are. So what we have to do now is we have to go to the manage tab, and first I'm going to delete that ants value out of the variable value. So I'm going to edit tabs and take out the butterflies equals ants and hit save. Okay, now I'm going to fix the grades tab as well. So in order to do that, I need to tell it where to point, and I'm going to use this text here, which tells it within the section that you're in. All courses and groups in Angel are sections. In the gradebook, go to the student default grade report. Alright, so I'm just telling it, I don't care where you are right now in Angel, just go to the gradebook and run the grades report for students. So let me copy that value, and I'm going to go back to Angel, and just to double check, we look and see it grades, and it's a broken link. So I'm going to go to the Manage tab and go to Tab Settings, and where it says Grades, I'm going to give it a URL or a web link to point to, and I'll give it that section/gradebook/students/default.aspx and hit Save. Now, just to be on the safe side, I'm going to get out of my course and go back into it again, and I can see that the ants tab is gone, and also that it's going to run the default grades report for me. Now notice I see my own grade report. If I were a student and I came in, I would see the grade report for me, the student. So to test that, let's go to the demo course, and I'll have Joe College go to the grades tab, and he can see his own scores.